Hello, today we'll show you how to perform a virus scan on your Samsung Galaxy M20. Let's start by unlocking the phone, pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up once again and let's go into the settings menu. And here we have a device maintenance option. Let's get here. And this is a place where your overall phone's maintenance status is displayed, and down here you can see the device security option. Choose it. And if you are doing this for the very first time, please agree to the terms and conditions set by McAfee. Now, if you want to scan your phone, simply press the scan phone button and wait for a bit. The phone will search the entire storage to see if there are any problems, if all programs are secure and there are no risk of malware or viruses. And as you can see, nothing was found on my phone. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.